Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time here, my name is Hannah. So in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I achieved a sleek V-part ponytail on my type 4 natural hair. So I actually just took down the braid. I haven't really tangled my hair properly. As you can see, it's all still tangling around each other. I'm going to first start by tangling my hair, then blow drying it just to bring out the length a little bit more than this. So yeah, here's my blow dryer. I started off with a low heat just to not go all in with a very hot temperature just yet. As I said, I just took down knotless braids, so you might even see some residues of a little dirt there. I just thought to do this hairstyle before I'm gonna have time to wash my hair. Now that I'm done with the blow drying, I'm gonna section my hair to 4 different parts actually, just to make applying gel and packing the hair up easy for me at the end of the day. Getting to the front now is when I'm going to make the V part. We all know how V looks like, so my goal is to make the shape of this parting a V. You're basically going to watch and see how I achieve that. So at this point, I had to add some gel on the line. I felt like the pattern wasn't straight enough to my liking, so I added some gel to make it more straight. Now we're done with parting, so we're gonna start from the back with the styling. I'm gonna go ahead to just comb my hair again. If there's any tangle while it was packed, we're gonna just coming out. Then I'm gonna go ahead to apply this Eco Styler gel, the flaxseed Eco Styler gel. Apply it all up from the top part to the down part, the body of the hair. Just keep applying as much as you feel your hair needs. At the same time, try not to apply too much. Just ignore whatever white residues you might be seeing through the camera. It's the gel, it was actually dissolving into my hair. There were no white residues, nothing like that. So I went in again with white tooth comb to just comb that gel into my hair. I wanted the gel to really enter my hair before going in with the brush. So the work of the brush will just be to smoothen the hair and slick it down. After brushing and you feel like your hair is smooth enough, then I'm going to use the elastic band to pack the hair on this part. You pack it as tight as you can, also not to the extent that will give you a headache. I use my 2 hands to like stretch out the ponytail of my hair, just to make sure everything is flat and nice. then I use comb again to comb the tip of my hair. I'm going to use another hairband to tie the pony part of my hair, just to stretch it out so it doesn't shrink. Yeah, and this is what it's looking like. You can see if I had left it like that, it was going to shrink, and that's not what we want. So now that we're done with the back part, now we're moving forward to the front. We're basically gonna do the same thing that we did at the back. We do some combing, apply some gel, we comb the product into the hair again, then brush it till it's smooth enough for packing it back. If you have any question, I'll be in the comments to answer. So now that we're done with slicking the hair down, everything is all packed in one place, I'm going to be using this got to be glued gel. This is just for sealing the hair, put everything in place, no movement like this till I'm ready to take the hair down. Now I'm gonna use my silk scarf to keep it in place and to stay. Any silk material, scarf, pillowcase is the best friend for natural hair, girls. So if you don't have one, I would advise you get yourself one. I'm going to be adding a second layer of scarf and let this just cook for a bit before I add my kinky ponytail. So I've had this kinky hair just in my house somewhere. This were the hair I took down from my micro twist. I saved the hair just for rainy days like this. It's a lot, so I'm going to be dividing it in like two. Kinky is usually full. I'm basically just going to divide this hair in two and use the other half of it. As you can see, the kinky is looking a bit rough on the under, very tangled, but I'm still gonna deal with that later. You're gonna see. So to attach this kinky on my hair, we first have to attach the kinky to an elastic band. I don't know how I'm gonna explain it, but if you watch it, it's pretty much straightforward. Yeah. Now that is done, that elastic part here, I'm gonna turn around so you guys see it properly. Don't worry, just ignore those white residues you're seeing at the pony part of my hair. Those are from the gel. So I'm just going to tie that elastic from the kinky. I'm going to tie it around my hair's pony, tight as you can, so when, let's say, there's breeze, there's no story like my pony fell off. Secure it well. And to secure it a bit more, I'm gonna take few strands from one part of the kinky and just tie it all around the root of the pony. It's just for extra security. I'm going to be using this spray. It was designed for holding the hair, so I don't know if it really made any difference, to be honest. I just felt to just add extra security. I was going to do a few adjustments, split ends. I'm going to cut them just to make the kinky ponytail look neater than it was initially. Yeah, then I'm gonna go in with this Cantu mousse on the kinky ponytail. It felt frizzy. Just tap tap. Yep. So that's basically all on how I achieved this sleek V parts ponytail on my type 4 natural hair. Let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying this hairstyle, what you think generally about the hairstyle, and yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Kisses, bye.